Hey there, welcome to Road Breakdown, your front row seat to everything that happens on the asphalt, crashes, near misses, and the raw reality of the road. Buckle up. Due to their smaller size and lower visibility, motorcyclists are frequently difficult to detect in traffic. Drivers are advised to exercise increased caution when sharing the road with motorcycles to ensure the safety of all road users.
Go! Idiot. I mean, idiot who dropped a refrigerator in the middle of the highway, but then there was that was a refrigerator and somebody didn't see it hit it.
God. Uy, ¿qué man yun? That is a whole lot of special.
A tire rupture on a truck on the highway could occur due to wear and overload. This could lead to a serious traffic accident. Be careful around trucks.
Cháu đây, cháu đây.
Con mẹ vai lìn chịu
Địt và em chịu rồi.
Cái là may mắn con đi con mẹ mày.
Drivers are advised to exercise caution when passing or following vehicles equipped with trailers and to adhere to recommended safe following distances.
Impact detected. Connecting to the emergency call center.
Oh, car crash. God damn! God damn! Son of a bitch! Okay, just go ahead. Go ahead. Just go ahead.
It appears this incident could have been prevented. Should responsibility lie with the driver? Or is it a consequence of the road maintenance authorities' negligent approach to their responsibilities, including their failure to install the necessary warning signs?
Press 1.
For Spanish, press 2. Press 1 for new customers. Press 2 for existing customers. Press 3 if this is regarding a WDO report. Press 4 for inspector support. Press 5 for other inquiries.
And then you can say, well, okay, the lead cog's making a mozza.
Video locked.
A common cause of traffic accidents is failing to pay attention to stop signs.
Oh my fucking god! No! Dude, I just fucking missed him. I'm gonna go beat his fucking ass! Get your ass back here, you piece of shit! Get your ass back here! Hey! You motherfucker!
नहीं उतरो नहीं
Сука, долбоёб, блядь!
The video author is clearly surprised by the situation, which is indeed remarkable. It highlights the importance of wearing a seatbelt. A clear example of inattentive lane changing is when a driver switches to the adjacent lane without checking blind spots or using a turn signal, forcing other vehicles to brake suddenly. Animals suddenly darting onto the road pose a hidden but serious traffic risk. Collisions with wildlife can lead to tragic outcomes, not just for the animals, but also for drivers and passengers.